Hello everyone, welcome to AlgoLaser's gift making time. The items we are going to use today are AlgoLaser DIY Kit 10 watts, universal razors, RR2, and water tumbler. Installed razors will help a lot in the engraving later. Now, here goes to the AlgoLaser RR2, designed specifically for engraving cylindrical objects. And detailed instruction on how to use RR2 can be found in AlgoLaser's YouTube videos. Measure the tumbler to determine the size of engraving pattern. For better engraving, adjust the focus with this assist. Tighten the thumb screw to fix the module. Power on the machine. Please be assured that the module will not get to the original point, since the RR2 has taken the place of the y-axis. The software we use is LightBurn. First, choose the right machine model. Wait for the OK in console box. Click Edit, Machine Settings. Make sure the homing cycle to be false. Then, the output setup. Change the value of Y steps per millimeter to be 80. Click Right and OK. Till the console box also shows OK. Move the module on the tumbler. Drag the picture prepared into software interface. Set width to be 100 mm and put the pattern in center for better operation. Change the start from to current position. Since the tumbler is horizontal with RR2, so here the pattern should be rotated -90 degrees. Drag it back to the center and click the frame, so we can know the engraving area. Seems too close to the edge. Let's give a little adjustment. Click frame again. Seems better. Now let's set the parameter of engraving. Speed to 5000. Max power to 100. Image mode to threshold. Line interval to 0.1. Okay, let's engrave. Thank you for watching today's AlgoLaser gift making time. If you have any gift ideas or something you want to see us engrave or cut, you can leave a comment. We will try to make it and show you. See you next time.